Hello everyone, this is Amir from FRAMINGSTOry. Today I will provide 9 Pro preset for wedding work or wedding photograph, and I will use this photo for preset or XMP file. This is the XMP file. I will provide the download link. You just download it and use it. I will show some tricks and how you will use it. Otherwise you will not get the best result from this preset or XMP file, because I will show some tricks to get the best result. If you like our tutorial and preset, please hit the like button. We really appreciate that. Let's start. One interesting thing, we didn't put any name on the file, because after use you will set the name as you like, otherwise you will get confused. Now I will show how you will use preset or XMP file. First we'll go to filter and camera raw filter. Now from here we'll go to load setting. From here we will use one by one. First this one. I think we don't need to change anything because we have got the best result already. So okay. Now we'll check before and after. This really cool effect for wedding photograph. Now I'll go to our second photo. Again same process. From here load setting and we'll 2. This look like too much. We'll down some exposure from here. Okay. Now we'll see the before and after effect. This is really cool effect. Now we'll go for our third image. Same process. I'll say before and after. This is pretty cool. Now we'll go for fourth image. Fourth preset. This is sort of light HDR. Let's see before and after. This is pretty cool. Now we'll go for our fifth preset. From here download preset. This is pretty cool preset. Let's check before and after. This is so nice. Now we'll go for 6. Camera raw. Download setting. 6. This really cool preset for outdoor. Let's check the before and after. We have got the detail of the sky and tree also, so this is pretty cool. Now we'll go for 7. Load 7. This okay, we don't need to do anything. Let's check before and after. This is pretty cool preset for indoor. Now I'll go to number 8. So this is pretty soft effect, but this is too dark for our image, so we'll adjust some light here. So that's it. Now we'll see the before and after. This is pretty good result. Now we'll go for our last preset. Last one. This is black and white, before and after. So that was our tutorial for preset. All of these are pro level preset for wedding photograph, but you have to use the preset wisely, because any single action or preset not to work with every photograph, so you have to multiple time use the preset to get the best result, and with which photograph it looks cool, then you can get the best result. For this kind of action and tutorial, please stay with us. Thank you for watching. See you in next tutorial.